Surah Al-Mulk, the surah that protects you. Surah Al-Mulk, the 67th chapter of the Quran, holds immense power and virtue. The Prophet Muhammad said, "There is a surah in the Quran with 30 verses that will intercede for a man until he is forgiven. It is Surah Al-Mulk." Abu Dawood, Tirmidhi, Hasan. This surah protects from the punishment of the grave. The Prophet would recite it every night before sleeping, and he encouraged his companions to do the same. Misnad Ahmad. Surah Al-Mulk reminds us of Allah's complete control over life and death, and it urges deep reflection on His creation, the sky, the earth, and everything in between. Reciting it daily strengthens your faith, brings peace to your heart, and ensures protection in the hereafter. Make it your habit. 30 verses, 5 minutes, a shield for your soul. Start tonight. Let Surah Al-Mulk be your nightly companion.